If you're in recruitment, you love sales, then I've got a program that is going to help excel your business. Now, guys, I'm going to talk to you about CRM Sales Pro. Okay, I'm going to take you to the website, give you a full overview. So let's get straight into it right now. So here it is, guys. What I'm talking about is the most incredible CRM SalesPro.net. Now, guys, I already have an account, so I want to quickly, before I even dive into what this is, there's one big thing that made me get straight into this, and that's how simplistic and user-friendly it is. So let me quickly show you by logging in. The dashboard, as you can see, look how beautifully laid out it is. Now you're probably thinking, what even is this? I just wanted to show you. I've never seen anything that this user-friendly, click of a button. Now let's go back to exactly what this is. It's a program that empowers your sales team with Sales Pro and the business sales of what you're trying to do. There's many happy clients just like me with how easy the dashboard is. See, I told you the dashboard is beautiful. Now it has this sale pro, it's user-friendly, okay? And it has incredible productivity and efficiency results. So you can see here, all right, it increases productivity and efficiency for all of you, your business sales, your team, everything. Okay, it's got so many insights. As you can see, let me just switch between the dashboard and the website. So you can see the insights all down the left-hand side of here. Okay, super easy to get your head of. Once you start calculating exactly what you're doing on here, it will all pop up and the insights will show really simple, like you can see on these. Okay, it'll start to show like this dashboard. So how many users you got, things like that. It's really as easy as just a one click away. Now guys, some of the features we have, the contact center, invoicing, meeting, project work tracking. Now with the meeting, Sales Pro meeting management feature allows business to schedule and organize meetings with ease. It offers a centralized system to create and manage meeting agendas, inviting participants, tracking attendance. With Sales Pro, businesses can actually improve the coordination and communication for meetings and make sure they run efficiently. We have the invoicing, where the invoicing feature allows business easily creates and send invoices to clients, streamlines the invoicing process, and provides real-time tracking. Now, the project work tracking, that actually allows businesses to manage their projects and tasks efficiently. With the contact center, is always centralized system, enables business to effectively manage customer interactions. Okay, look how cool the insights look. Now you can have everything on there, your list for the calendar, your income, your visitors, your customers, your weather, anything, what you're listening to, young, blue, hip hop, like still Drake, anything you want or what your team needs, okay? It's an insight to your business. It does the Sales Pro, so you have the Slack bot in there, your referrals insight, so you can actually manage meetings and team coordination inside of here. And guys, just to go back to the dashboard, this isn't hard to do. If I want to click on opportunities, okay, and add an opportunity in there, it's as simple as clicking one button. Okay, then you can enter the name, the campaign, everything like that, and then save. It's that easy. That's what I'm trying to show you, okay? Guys, here's the price. It's incredible, guys, okay? $0 for a lifetime access, all right? Now, you can actually start with this free plan, and you can see here you're getting $0 for it, but you get access to it. Now, if you want to get involved, $59 right now, lifetime price. You get 5 users, you get 5 accounts, okay? You get 5 contacts, 3 GB cloud storage, but the one I would go for, guys, trust me when I say you need to get Lifetime Pro. Over 999 users, 999 accounts, 999 contacts, 10 GB cloud storage for all of the lifetime purchase of $99. If you have any more questions, go into the FAQs, but what I want to do is fully show you this dashboard. So like I said, on the main page of the dashboard, you've got all your insights. Then you've got your roles, okay? Every single one through here, all you have to do is click the cross, put in the details you want. So choose a role and simply add the role, okay? You can add the name, say George, okay? George's gang, and it will just add it for you. Really as easy as that. Now it does that all the way the same through. So for user, you do the same. Messenger, you can have your messages in there. You got messages from your builders, okay? So where your builders want to do, add them in the top right. You got accounts, contacts, leads. You've got products, quotes. Again, guys, this isn't confusing. Every single thing in here, like quotes, for example, you just go in and click plus and add in the quotes. Really self-explanatory. Sales ordered, invoices, payment cases, and the calendar. The calendar is a little bit better. You actually add call, add meeting, and add task, and you can change it from week in the day. You simply just click on the one you want to do and put in the information. Now, with your task, meeting, calls, contracts, document, campaigns, the stream, your plan, order, all of them you just add up. If you want to upgrade your plan at any point, if you've only chosen $59, please upgrade to the $99 to get the full access, okay? And in the settings, you have an abundant of settings where you can change your logo to dark logo, light logo, the fire icon, anything you want, all the way through all your settings, the company settings, the system settings. Go through here, put all your details in. If you struggle with anything, just simply ask with the help center. Okay, and guys, once you've done all this, you can go back to your dashboard and all that information generates all the insights on here. So you literally just have one page to look at to see your whole business and the insights to it. That's how incredible this is, guys. Please remember, okay, the prices, if you want to get involved, are incredible. $59 right now just to get involved. $99 for the Lifetime Pro. Okay, super easy once you're inside and you upgrade. So get involved now. What have you got to lose? That's it from me, guys. As always, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Thank you to CRM, and I'll see you next time.